I'm fueled up, went to the toilet, take something to drink, and now we are going. He forgot his gloves, and now we are heading to Port Rashid. And I think he forgot about his gloves. So I will tell him when we reach the destination, ask where his gloves are. Oh, I feel a little bit cold. 18 degrees Celsius. I think he found out that he forgot his gloves. So Tupo, if you see the video, I give it to the guys in the car. Because I think the wind is very cold. And now we find out he forgot his gloves. So yeah. This is Al Qudra Road. Also, it was there in the news in Dubai about people use it as a racetrack at night because it's a very long straight road. Look at all the colors. Pimp my truck. So let's see how long the GoPro will hold for the rest of the night. The temperature will be a little bit higher. I think it's perfect weather for riding, especially for people who are now living in Europe. They can ride a bike, but with rain and cold and around zero degrees, that's not nice to ride. I hope that the microphone don't record my breathing, and if so, I'm sorry for that. New microphone is on its way. And yeah, what can I tell? Yeah, I'm working on some new designs with t-shirts for CSP Fever. I have some great ideas. Also for some bike videos, build series, the CSP build series. I'm working on some projects. Also, when this project finishes, I will upload the video so I can show you from the beginning till the end. So I can show the end result. And I had talked today for some nice projects I will do later this year. So hopefully when everything goes fine, I will build some very nice projects. with Hayabusa, but this time only the engine. So to tell you a little bit what I want to do, I will use some Hayabusa engines to build in some other vehicles. So I think it will be some nice videos to share it with you guys. Also, if you like the videos, don't forget to like the video, give a comment in the video, even if it's just a smiley or a thumbs up or anything, because it will help bring up my channel. Because I know I didn't post a lot of videos the past month, but from now I hopefully can upload weekly, like 2 or 3 videos every week. And this is also good for the views and the subscribers. Also the bike where I'm working on is one of the drift bikes, the black one. I have a new swing arm for it. So also I will replace the swing arm and make a nice video out of it. We are working on some new crash gates for the Hayabusa. I built a table so I can work on the bikes. I bought some equipment. So there will be a lot of build series coming up. So especially if you would like to see what projects I'm working on, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you can see all the new videos of the builds I will upload in the future. Now we are taking another road. This is an area where a lot of people go camping. This is very my crash gates hit it very hard. Close my helmet for the dust and the sun. As you can see, a lot of cars here because people are camping. And then 5 bikes pass by making a lot of noise. And people looking for a parking. You see a lot of cars. Campfires, sand. Yeah, this is something else. I don't want to go off-road. You have to be careful for the sand. Especially don't use your front brake, because if you do that, you will crash. But these guys, they are used to it. A lot of people having campfire, barbecue. It's very nice to go out here to enjoy the winter. I think I drove here before when I was driving the Harley, the Softail. It was then daytime. I didn't make a video, but I was just enjoying the ride and the view. Because last week, no, yeah, it was, I think it was yesterday. There was a not like storm, but it was very, very windy, and because of that, there's a lot of sand on the road. Oh, this is car fuel. They will fuel up your car wherever you are in Dubai. So if it happened you are out of petrol, you just send them a message and you send your location, then they come to fuel up your car. So luckily I closed my helmet, my visor. Because of the sand. The amount of cars.